Many of our daily routines are causing silent physical damage to the stomach and gut that often goes unnoticed until symptoms become severe. Despite having access to advanced medical technology, modern populations are experiencing a rise in bloating, chronic fatigue, and digestive failure. The human gut consists of millions of neurons and specialized tissues created as a self-regulating system designed to function with high efficiency. These behaviors force the body to operate outside of the specific functional parameters it was created to follow. To understand these biological failures, we can look to the wild, where the animal kingdom still operates according to its original intended design. Wild predators and foragers experience instinctual periods of fasting between successful hunts or foraging sessions. These empty periods allow for the activation of the migrating motor complex, a self-cleaning mechanism built into the gut's design. This mechanical sweep pushes debris and bacteria through the tract, initiating only when the stomach is empty. Constant grazing acts as an override switch, halting the cleaning wave. Paralyzing this cycle accumulates waste, creating a stagnant environment where bacteria multiply rapidly, leading to overgrowth. When suppressed, the resulting indigestion often indicates a mechanical disruption rather than a permanent organ failure. Wild animals interact closely with the earth, leading to the daily ingestion of soil-based organisms. These environmental microbes are specialized components created to function within the gut as natural living probiotics. Once they reach the gut, these intended probiotics bond to specific receptor sites on the cellular wall, where they help train the host's immune defenses. Modern human environments shun this exposure, favoring indoor living and the aggressive use of sanitizers. By eradicating these microbes from our daily lives, we remove the very organisms the digestive system was created to rely on for immune support. Our sterile environments have disconnected the gut from the microscopic partners required for its defense. In the wild, herbivores and omnivores intentionally seek out raw plant matter that is physically tough, fibrous, and structurally complex. This unrefined fiber acts as the primary fuel source for the microbiome in the lower gut. Human diets have largely shifted towards soft, pre-digested and ultra-processed foods that lack this structural complexity. Because processed foods break down rapidly in the upper tract, they are absorbed before they can ever reach the lower gut. When these microbes lack fiber, they turn to the gut's own defenses, consuming the protective mucus lining to find a source of energy. Removing complex fibers from a processed diet starves the specific ecosystem designed to maintain host health. Restoring the digestive system involves aligning our daily habits with the body's biological design. The first adjustment is the implementation of time-restricted eating. Leaving a 3 to 4 hour gap between meals provides the time necessary for the self-cleaning cycle to complete its work. The second adjustment is to prioritize the consumption of whole, unprocessed fibers. These fibers ensure that fuel reaches the lower microbiome, feeding it according to its original design. Finally, reducing the use of harsh sanitizers and increasing time spent outdoors restores the gut's connection to environmental microbes. These habits help rebuild the digestive defenses observed in the animal kingdom. Modern routines have fallen out of sync with our biological creation, but the body possesses the capacity to return to health. By honouring the original design of the gut and following the instincts observed in nature, we can address hidden damage. To learn more about the design and wisdom found in the natural world, click like and subscribe. It's free and it only takes a second, and by supporting us helps us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn notifications on.